Seniors, ditch sardines. This cheap protein builds muscle faster than you think. Have you ever tried eating sardines because people say they help you keep your muscles strong, but somehow your body still feels weaker? Just a few weeks ago, a 72-year-old man in Texas told me he was eating sardines almost every day. He thought he was doing the right thing until one morning his arms felt so weak, he dropped a glass right on the kitchen floor. He ended up in the ER, and the doctor told him something nobody warned him about. The protein he trusted wasn't enough to protect his muscles. That's why today I want to show you a cheap protein that actually helps rebuild muscle after 60 faster than sardines ever could. But listen, if you don't watch until the very end, you'll miss the one daily habit that quietly drains your muscle strength. And it's the mistake most seniors make without knowing it. Or C, canned mushrooms. Canned mushrooms might seem simple, almost too simple, but they carry a quiet kind of power that many seniors overlook. Even though mushrooms don't give your body the heavy, high-dose protein that builds new muscle after 60, they offer something just as important: protection. One full cup only gives around 12 to 15 grams of protein, so they can't be your main muscle-building food. But they bring benefits that reach far beyond protein, and those benefits matter more than most people think. They're soft, they're gentle on digestion, they're inexpensive and easy to add to almost any meal. For many older adults who struggle with chewing or digesting heavier foods, mushrooms feel comforting and safe. But their real value is deeper than convenience. Most people over 60 aren't told this clearly. Muscle loss doesn't happen only because of low protein or not exercising enough. A huge part of muscle decline comes from oxidative stress, tiny amounts of damage happening inside your muscle fibers every single day. Harvard and NIH researchers have explained that oxidative stress speeds up muscle aging, weakens recovery, and makes your strength feel unpredictable as you get older. And this is exactly where mushrooms become surprisingly useful. Mushrooms, even canned ones, contain a rare compound called ergothioneine, often described by scientists as a natural shield against muscle aging. Your body cannot make this compound on its own, but it depends on it to protect muscle cells from the everyday wear that slowly steals your strength. If you've been feeling more soreness than usual, or if daily tasks take more out of you than they should, this protective compound might be more important than you realize. I once spoke with a woman in her late 60s who shared something that stuck with me. She said she felt like her body was aging faster than her mind, especially when it came to strength. Her doctor told her she was doing a lot of things right, eating enough protein, staying active, but her muscles still struggled to bounce back. When she added mushrooms to her meals, not for protein but for recovery, she began noticing that she didn't stay sore as long. She told me she felt more steady, and that small improvement gave her confidence again. That shift didn't happen because mushrooms built new muscle. It happened because mushrooms helped protect the muscle she already had. And sometimes that protection is the difference between feeling stable and feeling unsure. Research from Penn State also highlights mushrooms as one of the richest natural sources of ergothioneine and glutathione, two antioxidants linked to healthier aging and better muscle recovery. Think of mushrooms as the maintenance crew of your muscles. They won't build new walls, but they keep the structure from falling apart. They reduce inflammation, support recovery, and help your muscles respond better when you finally give them the strong protein they need. Without this layer of protection, even the best protein sources can't work at full power. That's why mushrooms rank last on today's list, not because they're unimportant, but because they're not your primary muscle-building tool. They work behind the scenes, quietly protecting your strength and helping your body handle stress, soreness, and slow recovery. They're supportive, not central, but their role becomes powerful when you pair them with foods that actually push your muscles to grow. If you're still here, this is a good moment to tap the like button or drop a quick "still watching" so I know you're following along. Because now we're about to move into something more substantial, a food that doesn't just protect your muscles, but actually gives them the building blocks they're starving for. And trust me, if you click away now, everything you learned about mushrooms won't matter, because the next food is what turns recovery into real, visible strength. Let's ease into it gently. It's still affordable, still easy to find, and it might already be sitting in your pantry without you realizing how much potential it carries. 3. Canned beans. Canned beans are one of those foods almost every American senior has in the pantry. They're affordable, they last a long time, and you can turn them into a warm, comforting meal in minutes. For many people over 60, beans feel familiar, something they grew up with, something they know how to cook, and something their stomach can handle if they choose the right type. And the truth is, beans do more for your muscles than most people give them credit for. A full cup of canned beans gives you around 13 to 15 grams of protein, which is already more than mushrooms. They're packed with magnesium, a mineral the National Institutes of Health says is essential for healthy muscle contraction, nerve function, and energy production. They also contain folate, which your body uses to process and build new muscle tissue. On top of that, Harvard researchers consistently rank beans as one of the best foods for stable blood sugar, better digestion, and long-term heart health. All major concerns for seniors. But here's the part many older adults don't realize. The protein in beans is still plant protein. That means it doesn't include all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. You get some of the building blocks, but not the full set. It's like trying to build a house when you only have half the tools. Beans can help support muscle strength, but they can't do the heavy lifting alone. I once spoke with a man named Gerald from North Carolina, a 74-year-old retired truck driver. He told me he started eating beans almost every day because they were cheap and kept him full. For months, he assumed he was getting enough protein because he was eating big portions, yet he still felt his arms getting weaker when carrying laundry and his legs tired faster during walks. When his doctor looked at his diet, she explained that while beans gave him fiber, minerals, and plant nutrients, they didn't provide the complete amino acid profile needed for rebuilding muscle tissue. Gerald told me he wished someone had told him this sooner. He thought he was doing everything right. Even the CDC notes that plant-based diets can be incredibly healthy for seniors, but older adults must be mindful of amino acid balance. That's why beans shine the brightest when they're paired with another protein. Beans go perfectly with canned tuna or canned beef, creating a complete amino acid combination that finally gives your muscles what they need to grow. When you put plant protein and animal protein together, your body suddenly has access to all the building materials for muscle repair. Many seniors don't know this, but beans can actually make stronger proteins work better by providing slow, steady energy and stabilizing blood sugar, which helps you stay active longer. They also support digestive health, thanks to their high fiber content, something that becomes more important every year after 60. Of course, beans aren't perfect. Some seniors with sensitive digestion may experience bloating, especially with certain varieties like black beans or kidney beans. But choosing gentler types, like pinto beans, navy beans, or lentils, can reduce discomfort significantly. Rinsing canned beans under cold water also helps remove excess sodium and sugars that can cause gas. If your stomach is sensitive, starting with a small half-cup portion is often enough to get the benefits without the side effects. And once your digestion adjusts, beans can become one of the most supportive, budget-friendly foods in your entire kitchen. Still, beans rank third on this list for a reason. They support muscle health. They help your body use protein better, and they offer nutrients that aging muscles desperately need. But they can't replace a strong, complete protein source. They're part of the solution, not the full solution. If what you want is to rebuild real strength after 60, beans can help carry you there, but they won't take you across the finish line without the right partner food. If you're still watching at this point, drop a quick "still here" in the comments. It helps the video reach more seniors who need this information. And now, this is where things start getting interesting, because the next food on this list does provide the full set of amino acids your muscles are craving. It's affordable, it's simple to prepare, and many seniors already buy it without knowing how powerful it really is. If you miss the next part, everything you just learned about beans won't make much difference. So let's move gently into the next protein, one that has helped countless older adults rebuild strength faster than they ever expected: tuna. Canned tuna has been a classic muscle food in America for decades, and it earns that reputation for a reason. One serving gives about 25 to 30 grams of complete protein, the kind your muscles can actually use to repair and grow. For seniors over 60, this matters even more, because the National Institutes of Health explains that older adults absorb protein less efficiently, That's why tuna often feels like it works faster than many other foods. It gives your body everything it needs in one simple scoop. But tuna isn't just protein. It's also one of the richest natural sources of vitamin B12, a nutrient many seniors unknowingly fall low on. The Mayo Clinic notes that low B12 can cause fatigue, slower thinking, weak coordination, and that heavy, dragging feeling in your legs or arms. When you add tuna into your meals a few times a week, you're not only feeding your muscles, you're helping your nerves fire correctly so your body feels steady again. Tuna also carries selenium, a mineral Harvard researchers say helps protect muscle cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, something that becomes more aggressive with age. I once heard from a retired postal worker named Linda, now 71. She told me she felt exhausted after even short walks and thought it was just getting older. But her doctor explained she wasn't getting usable protein. When she started adding simple tuna salads and tuna and bean meals during the week, her energy slowly came back. She said it felt like her body was finally catching up again. Not overnight, but enough to matter. Of course, tuna has its limits. Some types, especially albacore, may carry small amounts of mercury, so many seniors choose light tuna or skipjack for safety. Canned versions can also be high in sodium, but rinsing it under cold water helps a lot. And while tuna is powerful, the flavor can get strong if you eat it daily. Mixing it with beans, eggs, or veggies makes it much easier to enjoy. Even with those drawbacks, tuna remains one of the most affordable and reliable proteins available, especially for anyone wanting strength without complicated cooking. Tuna ranks second on this list for one simple reason. While it delivers fast, usable protein, it still misses a few key nutrients aging muscles need for full power. It doesn't naturally provide creatine, heme iron, or certain compounds that help your muscles handle stress and build strength even faster. And that's exactly why the next food, the strongest one, often surprises seniors with how effective it is. If you're still watching, drop a quick "still here" in the comments. It helps the video reach more seniors who need this. Because the next protein source is the one that can completely change the way your body rebuilds strength after 60. And if you skip it, you'll miss the most important muscle-building food of all. 1. Called beef. Canned beef is the one food on this list that truly delivers the power aging muscles are missing. It doesn't look special on the shelf, but inside that can is a mix of nutrients that work together in a way seniors rarely hear about. A small serving gives around 25 to 28 grams of complete protein, but what sets it apart is everything that comes with it. Creatine for strength, heme iron for energy, zinc and carnosine for muscle repair, and B vitamins to keep nerves and muscles working smoothly. No other canned food brings all of these together at once, which is why canned beef quietly becomes a game changer for many older adults. It supports not just muscle growth, but the everyday strength seniors need to get up from a chair, climb stairs, carry groceries, and stay independent. And if you don't keep watching, you'll miss how to use it correctly, because the benefits depend on pairing it right. I once heard from a 72-year-old retired mechanic in Ohio, let's call him Jack, who avoided red meat for years because he worried about his heart. Over time, his legs weakened, and even picking up his grandkids became harder. His doctor later found he was low in iron and B12 and wasn't getting any creatine at all. With help from a dietitian, Jack added small portions of lean canned beef a couple of times a week. He mixed it into soups and slow-cooked meals with vegetables. Within weeks, he didn't suddenly become strong, but he did notice real changes. Getting off the couch didn't feel like a fight, and walking through a parking lot didn't leave him breathless. Because they chose low-sodium options and balanced his meals, his heart numbers stayed stable. Stories like his show that canned beef isn't the enemy many seniors fear. When used wisely, it becomes one of the most supportive foods for staying active and steady. And you'll miss the most important part if you click away now. Of course, there are things to watch for. Some canned beef products are high in sodium, so seniors with high blood pressure should look for low-sodium versions and rinse the meat before using it. Many older adults also fear cholesterol, but major health centers like Mayo Clinic and Harvard have emphasized that overall diet patterns matter more than one food. When beef is eaten in moderate portions, paired with vegetables, beans, or whole grains, it can fit safely into a heart-healthy lifestyle. while giving muscles the tools they need to stay strong. The key is balance. Canned beef is powerful, but only when used in a smart, steady way. Staying with me through this means you'll soon see exactly how to combine it with other foods so the strength gains actually happen. Canned beef ranks number one because it delivers everything aging muscles need in one place. Full protein for repair, creatine for power, heme iron for oxygen and energy, and zinc and carnosine for recovery. For seniors who want to stay independent longer, this combination is unmatched. If you're still watching, drop a quick "still here" in the comments. It helps the video reach more seniors who need this knowledge. And now, don't go anywhere, because the conclusion will pull everything together into a simple daily plan you can follow to rebuild strength in a way that's real, steady, and noticeable in your everyday life. Building muscle after 60 isn't about piling up eggs or sardines. It's about choosing simple foods that truly support your strength and avoiding the habits that quietly drain it. Now you know the 4 foods that help and the one that holds you back. Which of these do you already eat? And are instant noodles still sneaking into your meals? Tell me in the comments. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. They'll be grateful you did.